How's it going, guys? Today we're doing a cold air intake by K&N on a
Charger,
yeah. What year?
2014.
What engine?
3.6 liter VVT.
Yeah.
You had to look at the cover.
Yeah, you got the big guaranteed horsepower increase box. It comes with stickers, right?
I don't know.
When
Find
did you
out.
get this?
I got it for.
Do you want to open it?
Sure.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, everybody.
Whoa, buddy. Oh, we're gonna install the air intake.
By the way.
Yeah.
Chrome hard tag.
Whoa, it comes with hoses? What's going on
That's
now?
just ground stuff.
Yeah. And there's a hose.
Holy shit, this is a
Dude, what is this, a turbo? Oh, let's get it before.
Should we?
Yeah, rev it up real quick. Nice. So we
Should we just spitball it the whole way?
No.
Yeah,
We'll
I
watch
think-
a YouTube video.
No, fuck, you're making the YouTube video. Yeah.
I sent it to Timo Rennerman.
Huh?
you got cup holders in here.
That's where I put my cups. Is that a warm air intake?
All right, we're halfway there.
Serious.
Hey guys, Cherry Garage here. We just found this charger in this dude's backyard, so we're trying to take out the air box and steal the filter. It's the Cherry Garage Speed Shop, where we do everything super fast. Car go fast, we go fast.
Or go fast, we go faster.
Faster we go, the faster the car goes.
Do you have power steering?
No.
Nice.
Do you?
I'm sure we do.
Do you guys really?
Yeah, we have a lot.
Do you actually? I'll pay you guys for for a little top off. I'd love to get topped off by you guys.
Okay.
You guys sure you shouldn't be doing like some research first?
So you need to take out one bolt, and the whole thing comes out.
K&N's like the name brand cold air intake.
Yeah, that's all they do. Is just give you free horsepower.
no.
Okay.
We're gonna break this.
Bubble wrap.
Hey, watch out for that.
There's just charging
Ah. You're so close.
Like bro has a knife in his pocket and we'll just cut it.
We're almost there. Thank fuck.
Hold up like this.
That's so sick. And we get the rubber pieces to do that. With the hose clamp.
Dunk. Listen to it.
Yeah, we're good. Lucas, we're figuring it out.
Do you think we need hose clamps for this?
Oh, sure. Look at that. That's probably how that goes.
Yeah. Bro,
Oh, dude, look at all this junk. Hey, can I borrow that knife? Not towards me, towards you. Ah, it matters to me.
Do you think these both go on this thing?
Breather. Oh, sure.
I
I'm sure
mean-
they all go on it.
But do you get what I'm saying?
There's that bung. Which is this, I think. Are there instructions?
Probably.
Can you go ahead and throw those away? Hey, watch the Coronas.
Just quit coughing everywhere, dude.
I just took a hit, man.
What does it
This
the
kit
gain
is guaranteed to increase horsepower.
By how-
Guaranteed.
By how much?
One.
Here, look at this. Wait.
This was made in
Install the
England.
provided longer. Oh, you haven't done. We haven't done any.
Well, we can do that right now. Look, we got this thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then we take the that bracket thingy.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing done. Did all these parts go up here that I
Bro,
thought
we
went up
should
here?
wait. Let's just wait a second.
This thing.
Wait, we're actually going through the instructions now, so let's just wait a second, Jacob.
Bro, Lucas, it has to go here to attach.
But like, there might be steps that we have missed first, so let's just go. We've got the instructions right here in front of us.
you know how we feel about that.
Bro, it didn't say to put that in yet. The fuck you doing?
Yeah, see,
You gotta put this in first.
Nuh-uh.
Alright, install the inserted nut. Look, does that look like it? Cause that's exactly what it looks like. Is that this, Jacob?
I gotta get closer. Let me look at this. This is blind.
You're on 7.
Give me a second. So, what are you guys arguing about? The first step.
Go, Lucas and Keaton.
All right, you gotta put that temp sensor, I think, onto there with some lube, and then
And then
give it to Jacob.
Yeah, and then once you give it to Jacob, Jacob will put this little rubber piece. Came off the old intake. You put it right here, and then
And
it
a
can,
new bracket.
yeah, this little bracket, and then it'll this thing will hug that little nipple down there.
Snap onto it, yeah.
Can I assist? Can I do anything to help?
No.
Okay.
Well, yeah, if you
No.
shut up.
Okay.
What? This is supposed to go in. Plus you have like a million more bolts and things left over. And a
Yeah, you gotta
hose.
put that part on.
Motherfucker,
Go
read
by
the
the, just
instructions.
go by the instructions. Oh, he's so strong.
Yes.
Alright, and you'll
Now-
notice, okay.
Oh.
I angled it upwards because I know that it has to travel upwards.
Yeah, it looks great.
It needs to be kind of angled that way. I might have to go like this here.
Hey, what the hell? You motherfucker.
This is proper.
And then when they say, "Oh, did you get it taken to a real place to do it?"
You'll say yeah.
Yo, bro, I just got that cold air intake on my Charger. It's not a Hellcat, it's just a Pussycat, because I get puss.
Alright, here it is. Sick, right? So sick. Let's hear it.
$60 to $100 range.
Oh, it's close on the 50.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I want
Wait,
to
you
hear
gotta
it.
do your dance. Well, yeah, let's hear it.
No.
Well, after it, you gotta do a little dancey dance.
I'll do my little dance later.
Seven horsepower. Yeah. That's what we like to hear. But yeah, when this closes, it'll seal it in and make sure it gets no air.
Like, subscribe, comment for more fantastic audio footage.
That's the K&N cold air intake on a Bullocks.
Thanks for watching.
Bullocks Charger.
Thanks for watching.
What year is this?
This is 2014.
2014?
2014. It's almost 7 years old.
Wow.
Thanks, guys.